Learjet 45. Study Guide. PowerPlant and Engine Oil PowerPlant Overview. The Learjet 45 is powered by two Garret/Allied Signal TFE-731-20 0AR engines. The TFE-731-20 0AR is a twin-spool turbofan engine rated at approximately 3,500 pounds of thrust at sea level, up to 87 degrees Fahrenheit. Approximately 60% of the total thrust is produced by the fan bypass, while 40% is produced by the engine core. Engine spools: an N1 spool. The N1 spool consists of a 4-stage low-pressure compressor driven by a 3-stage low-pressure turbine. The N1 spool drives the fan through a planetary gearbox, which results in fan rotation opposite to the core rotation. N2 spool. The N2 spool consists of a single-stage centrifugal compressor driven by a single-stage high-pressure turbine. The N2 spool rotates the tower shaft and, through the transfer gearbox, provides power to the accessory gearbox. Ignition system. The ignition system is a dual-channel, dual igniter system, identified as Channel A and Channel B. Ignition is automatically controlled by the DEEC during engine start, or manually selected using the IGN switches on the center pedestal. Accessory gearbox. The accessory gearbox drives the following components: hydraulic pump, and fuel control unit FCU, DC starter generator, AC alternator, oil pressure and scavenge pumps, auxiliary motive flow fuel pump, digital electronic engine control DEEC. Overview. Each engine is equipped with a digital electronic engine control DEEC, also referred to as a fuel computer. The DEEC is located above the upper portion of the inlet fan housing assembly on each engine. The DEEC functions primarily as an N1 governor, with additional provisions for fuel limiting during acceleration and deceleration. DEEC functions. The DEEC provides the following functions: thrust management, engine rating display with N1 bug reference, engine overspeed protection, automatic engine start sequencing, spool speed limiting, temperature limiting, surge protection, automatic control of the surge bleed valve, electrical power. With the computer switches in on or man, the DEECs receive power from the left and right essential buses, respectively, through the CMPTR circuit breakers. Overspeed protection. Overspeed protection is provided at 105% N2 governor, 107% N1, 109% N2 ultimate limit manual mode. In manual mode, P3 air controls the fuel metering valve. Engine response to thrust lever movement is slower in manual mode. The surge bleed valve remains approximately 1/3 open when operating in manual mode. Starting system. During engine start, a green start message is displayed on ECAS until approximately 50% N2, when the D key commands starter cutout. Operational tip: attention pilots. If the starter remains engaged beyond 50% N2, the start message will turn amber at approximately 51% N2. Minimum engine start temperature is minus 28 degrees Celsius or minus 18.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Engine air start. An engine air start must not be attempted in the event of suspected internal engine damage, engine fire, no N1 rotation. Engine oil system approved oils. Approved Type 2 oils include Mobil Jet Oil 254, BP Turbo Oil 2197, Exxon 2197 oil system components. The engine oil system includes pressure and scavenge oil pumps, fuel heater / oil cooler, air / oil cooler located in the bypass duct, system venting above approximately 27,000 feet. At high altitude, the vent valve closes to maintain approximately 3.5 psia oil system pressure. Oil level check oil quantity should be checked within 1 hour after engine shutdown. If the oil level is not checked within 1 hour, the engines must be started and stabilized at idle, then shut down again prior to checking oil quantity. Operational tip oil level should ideally be checked within 15 minutes after engine shutdown for the most accurate indication. CAS messages L/R, oil press low, red. Oil pressure is below 50 pounds per square inch. L/R engine chip, amber, indicates the presence of metallic particles in the oil system. L/R oil filter, amber, indicates the oil filter is in bypass. Operational tip: the oil filter message is inhibited when oil temperature is below 100 degrees Fahrenheit, such as during cold starts.